Okay, now we're going to give Monkey Boy some catnip. It's up in the cupboard here. Yep. But we're not going to take it out of the container. Yep. There you go, Monk. Oh, he's just going to stick his head in, and I thought it was almost empty. A whole bucket of catnip for a kitty. Yum, 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 Monk. Oh. This is like open bar for a kitty. Oh, don't knock it over. Oh, no, 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 no. I have to mop it up. Vacuum it up. Wait. Happy boy. Happy boy. Okay. I really will do anything to avoid housework, won't I, Bunk? Yeah, I know. Look in the camera, Monk. Okay. Say goodbye, Monk. Meow. Meow. Bye, Monk. Yep. My red wall. I love my red wall. Yes, ma'am. And my new floor. I love my new floor. With my spider. And my little ants. Aunties. Little aunties. Getting the Oreo cookie. And my wasp. And my stag beetle. My butterfly. What else? Dragonfly. That's a tick, I swear to God. The bumblebee. Oh. Blue fly. The Luna moth. The firefly. Butterfly. Another Spidey. Garden Snow. That's a black widow. Where's the treacherous spider? He's not finished, so you can't see him that well. But he is a treacherous spider. Yep. Easy project. Of the century. Okay. Now how about doing some work?